Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are gonna see how to clear all cache and junk on Windows 10 and 11. So after doing this, your PC will run very fast or faster than before. So just follow the steps I'm gonna show you, and so yeah, let's get into the video. So the first one you have to do is you can press your window key and R on your keyboard, and you can also navigate to run by just tapping in the search box and typing run, and then go to it and it will just pop up. And so here you have to write prefetch, Prefetch, each. And once you write it, just click on OK. So here this permission pop-up will come. You have to just tap on continue. Here click on any of the file and press Ctrl+A key on your keyboard and all of them will be selected. Now select press Shift+Delete. So why Shift+Delete? Because once you press it, your all the files will be deleted permanently. So I'm gonna do that. And here it will show me this pop-up to permanently delete all these items. You have to click on yes. So just tap on skip. So once it is done, some files are currently on work, so some won't be deleted, so you don't have to worry for them. And then just search for one again. And here you have to write prefetch or temp. Here click on OK. Now here in the same manner, select all of the files, click on Shift+Delete and permanently delete all of these items. Here for some files this pop-up will arrive. You have to select do this for all current items and click on skip and then turn it off. The third option you have to try is again go to one and here search for percentage temp percentage, and here click on OK, and here select all the files again and press Shift+Delete and click on yes and click on do this for all current items and tap on skip. This might take a while to delete, so some files won't be deleted. You don't have to worry about them. And then just again go to run and here write clean CLEANMGR and here click on OK. And here there will be automatically selected C drive. This will open up this your disk cleanup section. So I'm gonna clean up the C drive, tap on OK. And here select all of them, all of the check marks. And here click on OK. Here click on delete files. This might take a while to delete because of the large amount of cache and temporary files. So we have to wait for it. As you can see on my PC, it is currently getting deleted. So yeah, these are all deleted. I'm gonna refresh my PC. Here there is a recycle bin. Right click on it, click on empty recycle bin. And yeah, it is done. So yeah, this is how you can clean up your PC easily. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next video.